How to get verified on Fahdu. Hello creators, if you have already created your user account on Fahdu, it is important to upgrade to the creator account to be able to earn from the Fahdu platform. Here's how you can get verified as a creator on Fahdu. First, go to your Fahdu account and click on the hamburger at the top right corner. Here, you will find the Get Verified option. Click on Get Verified and such an interface will appear. After that, eligibility conditions would appear on the screen stating you have at least 5k followers on Instagram, your account should be public, and your own face should be on account. It should not be a meme or a fan page. Once done meeting the eligibility conditions, tick the Accept All box and click on I agree button. As you can see, there are two steps for this entire process. Under the first step, enter your full name and date of birth just as shown on the screen. Now, enter your Instagram username and click on Verify. Additionally, you can also add your social media handles such as YouTube, Snapchat and Twitter. But remember that your Instagram username is mandatory for the verification process. Now, copy the message below and click on DM us and you will be redirected to Fahdu's Instagram chat. Simply click on Paste and send the message. Now, come back to the verification interface and select your niche. You can select minimum 1 and maximum 5 niches. Click on Next and you will reach step 2 of your verification process. Here, you will have to create a username for your Fahdu account and check its availability. If the username entered by you is not available, please choose a different one. Now click on Submit. Once you have successfully submitted, you will see this congratulations message pop on your screen. Now, just sit back and relax. Fahdu will verify your account ASAP.